Hello, this is Jake with Optimus Futures, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to place bracket orders within a dome chart in OEC Trader. So first, open up a dome chart. I already have mine opened up, and as you can see, the proportions may be a little bit different compared to yours. That's because I have my dome chart in full screen. So to place a bracket order, first you're going to want to head to the top of your dome chart and click on the triangle symbol. Once you click on this button, you see you have access to a bunch of new options down on the bottom of your screen. And this is where we're going to set our bracket orders. This option menu allows traders to mix and match the type of brackets they'd like to set. You have the ability to set brackets for just long orders or vice versa with short orders, not to mention the ability to add both. You may also set within these brackets whether or not you'd like to set only a limit order, a stop order, or both. If you right-click anywhere within this menu, you have the ability to change the factor of your brackets to your liking. As you can see, if I right-click, I have the ability to change my factor in points, factor in currency, exact price, and factor in ticks. It's important to note that this only changes the factor of the bracket you right-click in. So for example, I right-clicked within the buy bracket, and I changed my factor to currency. If I'd like to do it within the sell bracket, I must right-click within the sell bracket to change it to currency as well. Now I'd like to show these brackets off in action. So if I go back down to my menu and I activate the buy bracket, as you can see by default, it'll automatically activate both legs of my bracket, the sell limit and the sell stop. So if I go back into my dome chart and I'd like to place a trade, as you can see on the short side of my dome chart, I have both legs of my bracket activated. If I'd like to place a trade and hit confirm, as you can see, it places me in a long order, and then I have a limit order and a stop order as well on my short side. Before I move on, it's worth mentioning that above your dome chart, you have the ability to cancel bids, cancel all your bids, cancel offers, exit at market and cancel, and reverse and cancel. So for now, I'm just going to cancel all, and I'll cancel all my 3 orders. So it is also worth mentioning that you can mix and match the legs of your bracket to your liking. So if I go back down to my sell bracket options and I activate my sell bracket, by default, both my buy stop and my buy limit legs are activated. You can see this designated by the orange boxes in my dome chart. As you can see, based off of where I put my cursor, the factors of my buy stop and my buy limit brackets move up and down. So let's say, for example, I wanted to deactivate my buy limit bracket. Simply click this, and you can see it is unchecked. And if I go back onto my short side, I only have the buy stop leg of my bracket now activated. And if I'd like to place an order, as you can see, I have one short and one long. And now you can see my stop bracket leg has been activated and my short order has been placed. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content related to the futures market.